vibes there. When you shout out Why, somebody else will shout out Why. That's why we are here. The wind is a bit blowy. Let's go around this way, Ben. Yeah, we're here, people. You get me? Cook and Vibe in Jamaica. We got up and coming productions. We are in place. You understand? Yeah, over there, Norman Manley. Because we was there at England, sadly. We have to give thanks to where we reached Norman Manley. Now we're there, country. What, yoy? We're there, people. Road settings. This is the car. You get me? We're on the road. What we're going to do is we're going to stop. We're going to get a quick jelly coconut. And we're going to get on the move. We're going to have a bit of food on the way back to the hotel. And we're going to show you our one. Introduction today, people, yeah? We're in Jamaica. Oi, oi. Jamaica! We're there, people! Oi! Yeah, so you don't know, people. It's an introduction today. You get me? Because obviously we're tired, we've had a long day, but we want to do an episode today. So it's like an introduction. You don't know. We've left Norman Manley Airport, you get me? We're on the way to Ocho Rios right now. Right now, we just stop off, get one red stripe for Ben, you get me? Get one little juice for me, and get a little Jamaican cigarette. So forward, we're gonna get some Rizzler. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, Cook and Vibe. We're there, man. We've reached from Kingston to Ocho Rios. You get me? This is where we're staying. So this is where it all starts from here. Do you know what I'm saying? In the morning, we're going to link up Sunrise TV. You get me? Yeah, it's a mad move. Right now, we just reached to the hotel. It's been a really, really long day, man. You get me? 10-hour flight. And then a blood clot. 2-3 hour drive from Kingston. Sat-nav went. As soon as we got in the car, sat-nav, poof, done. We had to guess our way to Ocho Rios. But we're here. It's Zimmy Cook and Vibe. We are here. It's season 7. You know what I'm saying? Up and Coming Productions is there. He's tired. He's had a long night. You get me? So we're just going to get some food right now. You get me? It's just a little introduction to Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, we're going to go and get some food. We're going to show you what I go on with the food. And then a little talk. And then we will get busy. You know what I'm saying? Bare things are going out here, people. Just keep a lookout. Make sure you tap that notification bell. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. You know the thing go. We're in Jamaica. Nothing to normal. Everything is different now. You know me. So it's only right that we get some jerk chicken. You know what I mean? Yeah, it makes sense. So we just reached, so. Yeah, man. First jerk, man, me a link, you know?
Yeah, man. Short man.
Short man, big up yourself.
From 2008.
2008, a long time you're on.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
See it there. Ocho Rios.
Yeah, man. Make life out there.
Acho, man.
Yeah, man.
Acho, so just big up yourself, you know.
Me are the best, man. From
Acho.
East Portland to Yasso, man. Me are the first man to carry trophy control down in a watch, man.
Where's the trophy and them thing there?
Yeah. Go man to go be able to get the first prize, man.
Oi.
Yeah, man.
I'm mad thing with G. So people, this is where you can find him,
it,
right?
Man.
Original Sharky.
Yes, man.
You see me? This is what we are, Cornerstone. Alright, Ocho Rios, so you know where to go, people. Yeah? Big up, me G. Alright. So you don't know, people. We link up the jerk, man, because we're just reaching out Jamaica. It only makes sense. You understand, so? We got our quarter jerk. Yeah? Hot sauce, hard dough bread. That's how they serve it in Jamaica. I've already started, yo, the jerk chicken is different. The smokiness in the meat is just 10-10. Like right through the meat. the chicken is just 100 times better because remember I said the chicken them are more fresher here because they're farmed here and cooked straight, like not no process, not pumped with woolly per water and them thing there in England. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like I say, it's a quick one today, people. Little introduction. Big up Shark Man because this jerk chicken is 10-10. 10-10. People. See you soon. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. You see the peanut on there? Alright, y'all bake them. He's baking them inside here. Look at that, fresh. The best peanut. So if you're in Ocho Rios, just link up the bridging. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, him there on the road. Yeah, fully. Man. You understand? Good, yeah, man. So, look at that. You never seen peanuts like that on the side of the road. Come on. You see right now, I can't even be bothered to put the camera on the stand. Yeah? Been a long day, man. I'm not going to finish the episode here. I'm going to go sleep and I'm going to see you in the morning. Oi, oi. Good morning, Cook and Vibe. So the plan was to get a full episode on our first day, but it didn't really work out because we were so tired and got stuff done. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just finishing the first episode, and I'm just gonna, on this season, I'm just gonna try and show you as much of Jamaica as I possibly can. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, little morning walk and a one last shot from this piece, and then we move on. Jamaica, we're there, people. Give thanks, man. I'm so happy to be here, honestly. Yes. We're here, people. Yeah, man, I just want to big up everybody that is supporting the channel. Everybody that supported the channel up until now, you get me. I big you up and thank you for bearing with me for the past couple years. But yeah, it's about to get back to normal. You know what I'm saying? The first episode is going to be a bit chippy choppy all over the place. But we're actually filming the first episode today. So yeah, we're going to go on a little road trip. So we're not too far, about 40 minutes from here, where we're going to link up Sunrise TV. Yeah, make sure you go check Sunrise TV out on YouTube right now. Yeah, the thing's kicking. You get me? So yeah. Time to wake Ben up, people. Hey! You hear that, people? Good morning, people. Yeah, so me and Ben were out. Big up and coming productions. He's here in Jamaica. It's his first time in Jamaica. So breakfast. Now we're at Mother's. Okay, I'm going to show you the outside and stuff in a minute. So basically, this is like a breakfast place where you get your patties and stuff. You can also get like rundown, mackerel rundown, stewed chicken, ackee and saltfish, them kind of meals there for breakfast. But what we've got, have a look inside here. We've got our straw for our drink. We've got our grape soda. And here, you can see, we've got our patty sandwich. A real Jamaican patty. I had to make up and coming productions know about the real Jamaican patties the first morning. And we've got the cocoa bread, nice and filling. You know what I'm saying? We've got our grape soda. Let's just give the patty a go. I want to give the patty a go, right? I've missed that so much. The patties here are not curried. They're more like a meat patty, like more like a steak bake with a kind of twist on it. 10-10, you won't get them in England like that. For some reason, you just can't. So, yeah, man. Hey, me, Majid, we're there. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're there. You know? A good vibes. You know what I'm saying? A good vibes in the show.
Did you hear the man this morning?
No, what about them?
The man give him the rod of correction.
No, because that thing, that them one, but you can't give them that.
I know, you know, you're right.
You can't give them that.
That's right.
Our bad mind energy, you dash for that. And continue, isn't it?
Of course.
Yeah, man, that's what the thing said. Positive vibes. Big up yourself, people. Fruits. You know what I'm saying? You can't come to Jamaica and don't get no fruits. The freshest fruit. I remember one time something, right? When I first got a mango in Jamaica for the first time, it stained my hand. It was so fresh. So, this one is the black mango. I believe this one is the East Indian.
Yeah.
This is the East Indian.
We have the Julie as well.
And the Julie there, same way. See it there? So my favourite is the black mango. I like them because they're just small and, you know, nice. So, what we have here?
China plum. Those are China plum. Those are China plum.
China plum. I've learned something new. See? Just as I think I know everything. China plum. I'm definitely going to take a couple of these because this is new to me. So you just eat the whole thing? Okay. So, a 2-pack of Chinese plum and a black mango. Yes. So, for our first episode, right, we're going to be cooking curry chicken back. So we're here. With your different parts here. Look, you've got your chicken back, chicken neck, chicken foot, turkey neck, liver, mixed parts. Pigtail, all them thing there, you know. So we're gonna start off very authentic. Get me? So we're getting our chicken back, 2 pound of chicken back. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, see,
There's only 6 out there.
Yeah.
Out here, yeah.
Only 6.
Yeah.
Really guys, that you know you think.
Right.
Yeah. So chicken back. Got our chicken back. We need some seasoning. So we just need some seasoning, some thyme and scallion. So look, we've got some seasonings here. So yeah man, we just had a look for the curry powder. And that's it there. So we have all purpose. We need some of that. No curry powder down there. But we're gonna get some chicken spice as well. Chicken spice, all purpose. Yeah, we just had a look for some curry powder, yeah, and that's it. Yeah. So we have our chicken back. We've got our curry powder, all purpose, and our chicken seasoning. This is how they sell the rice. They sell rice by the pound. So you don't just buy a packet of rice. So 2 pound of rice should supposed to be good. You know what I'm saying? So all we're gonna need now is our scallion and our thyme. Oi. Chinese plum. You get me? So I've never actually tried these before. It's my first time trying a Chinese plum, and you know me, people. I love my fruits. I love my Jamaican fruits, and if there's something that I don't know, I'm like, what's that? Hog plum? She says, no. Chinese plum. So similar to a June plum, sweet, got a little aroma, like a kind of scented aroma, but really nice. It just got one flavour. When you bite into it, it's like nothing else. But when you get into it, it's more like June plum going towards orangey. You get me? A good vibes, man. We soon set out on the road, people. Why? tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why? I hope you enjoyed the episode. It's just a little teaser, to be honest, people. Yeah, because, you know, obviously, we just got here on the Monday, and to get something out for the Thursday, it's a mad thing. So, yeah, we're here. I hope you enjoyed it. As you see at the end of the clip there, we were Sunrise. So, next episode, Sunrise TV. It's mad thing. You get me? So, big up section, people. Yeah, big up Trav Essex. Trav Essex says, just want to say that your videos are really helping me through my recovery. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Can't wait for the next series. God bless, brother. Big up yourself, bro. I hope this new season is gonna, you know, give you whatever you need. And, you know, I'm glad that it helps you. Yeah, got positive vibes we gotta deal with. Understand? So, who else have we got on the big up list this week, people? Also, big up Ryan Groom. We got Ryan Groom. He says, big up to M.Man, another legendary vid. If you see this, can you shout me out? Would make me look cool to my friends. So Ryan Groom, see it there. He gets her big up in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, again, I hope you enjoyed the episode, people. And I'll see you on Sunday.